Your question is, in the definition of armed forces under the Protection of Human Rights Act, which of the following is not included? Your options are A. Navy, B. Armed Forces of the State, C. Military, or D. Air Force. Right answer is B. Armed Forces of the State. Your question is, in the event of occurrence of any vacancy in the office of the chairperson of the State Commission, who can authorize one of the members to act as chairperson? Your options are A. The Chief Justice of the High Court, B. The President, C. The chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission, or D. The Governor. Right answer is D. The Governor. Your question is, which among the following is not correctly matched? Bodies, establishment. Your options are A. Interstate Council 1990, B. National Development Council 1954, C. Central Vigilance Commission 1964, or D. National Human Rights Commission 1993. Right answer is B. National Development Council 1954. Your question is, which one of the following has a status different from the other three? Your options are A. Backward Class Commission, B. Finance Commission, C. National Human Rights Commission, or D. Election Commission. Right answer is C. National Human Rights Commission. Your question is, which of the following are constitutional authorities? Select the correct answer using code given below. 1. State Election Commission, 2. State Finance Commission, 3. District Panchayat, 4. State Electoral Officer. Code. Your options are A. 1 and 2 only, B. 1, 2 and 3 only, C. 2, 3 and 4 only, or D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right answer is B. 1, 2 and 3 only. State Election Commission, State Finance Commission, and District Panchayat. Your question is, the chairman of the Constitutional Review Commission set up in February 2000 is? Your options are A. M. N. Venkatachalaya, B. R. S. Sarkaria, C. Krishna Iyer, or D. Fatima Bibi. Right answer is A. M. N. Venkatachalaya. Your question is, an advocate may be specified by the state government for the purpose of conducting of cases in human rights courts as a special public prosecutor who has been in practice for not less than. Your options are A. 5 years, B. 6 years, C. 10 years, or D. 7 years. Right answer is D. 7 years. Your question is, the question considered by Swan Singh committee was related to. Your options are A. More autonomy for Punjab than Jammu and Kashmir, B. Suitability of president-oriented governance for India, C. Priority of directive principles of state policy in comparison to fundamental rights, or D. Administrative reform. Right answer is C. Priority of directive principles of state policy in comparison to fundamental rights. Your question is, Mandal Commission, whose proposals created massive dispute, was set up by. Your options are A. Indira Gandhi, B. Morarji Desai, C. Rajiv Gandhi, or D. Vishwanath Pratap Singh. Right answer is B. Morarji Desai. Your question is, who is the first chairman of the Backward Classes Commission? Your options are A. Jagjeevan Ram, B. Kaka Sahib Kalelkar, C. B. D. Sharma, D. B. R. Ambedkar, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is B. Kaka Sahib Kalelkar.